Lecture 4 is graphical representation of motion. Graphical representation of motion. You can see this is a three-dimensional figure. Suppose this is the x-axis and this perpendicular is known as y-axis and this is z-axis. This is perpendicular on x-axis and y-axis. This figure is like this. Thumb represent x-axis and forefinger represent y-axis and this third finger represent z-axis. X-axis is perpendicular to y-axis and z-axis is perpendicular to y-axis and z-axis is perpendicular on x-axis. And notation of in a vector form. X-axis denoted by I and y-axis is denoted by J and z-axis is denoted by K. Suppose this point is X I cap and this point is Y J cap and this axis is K. I J K is unit vector and notation of x and y and z respectively. Suppose this point displacement from here and from here. So displacement can be written as from x-axis point x I cap plus y-axis point y j cap plus z-axis z k cap. This is the displacement written of three-dimensional figure. We know that velocity is represented like this. Velocity. We know that velocity is equal to rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. So we can written as dy ds dt dy dt. इसका वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, ये इस वैल्यू पुट करेंगे इस जगह. देन एक्स आई कैप प्लस वाई जे कैप प्लस जेड के कैप. this like written. Now we can also written like this dxy dt I cap plus dy by dt j cap plus dz by dt k cap. So we can written as velocity finally in three-dimensional dx by dt rate of change of displacement of x-axis. This is the x-axis displacement, this is the y-axis displacement, this is the z-axis displacement. So we can written as rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. This is x-axis velocity and this is y-axis velocity and this is z-axis velocity. So displacement is written like this. This is our dimensional, this is x-axis point, this is y-axis point and this is z-axis point. Now displacement. We know that now acceleration is in know that rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. dy by dt, rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. So we can written like this, dy by dt, v का वेलोसिटी का इस वैल्यू पुट करेंगे इस जगह, वी एक्स आई कैप प्लस वी वाई जे कैप प्लस वी जेड के कैप. Now written like this, dy by dt vx I cap plus dv by dt j and dv zy dt like this can be written like this. So this is x-axis velocity and this is y-axis velocity and this is z-axis acceleration. This is x-axis, this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Now acceleration can be written as del dvx by dt I cap, means rate of change of velocity of x-axis. So this is the acceleration of x-axis and this is acceleration of y-axis and this is acceleration of z-axis. Be written like this. This is our acceleration. This is x-axis point acceleration, this is y-axis point acceleration, this is z-axis point acceleration. Again recall. Lecture 4 is graphical representation of motion. This is x-axis point, this is y-axis point, this is z-axis point. It's figured like this. This x-axis, this y-axis and this z-axis, these are perpendicular and these are also perpendicular and these are also perpendicular. This is like a structure. Now displacement can be written as x-axis point का displacement and y-axis point का displacement and z-axis point का displacement. Velocity is known as rate of change of displacement. So we can written like this. So this is x-axis, this is x-axis velocity and this is y-axis velocity and this is z-axis velocity. Now acceleration is known as rate of change of velocity. So velocity का value put कर देंगे. So this become like this. This is x-axis acceleration, this is y-axis acceleration, this is z-axis acceleration. Now finally written like this. Here from displacement we find velocity and acceleration. Now I will see distance time graph. Distance time graph. For the saving of time, we draw already. Now I am going to discuss. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This x-axis represent as time and y-axis represent as distance. This is the distance and this is the time. So slope can be written as tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular y base. This is the perpendicular and this is the base. So we can written as perpendicular is equal to distance and base is equal to time. Distance by time. here displacement by time, d for displacement, t for time. Here I am taking displacement. Suppose this is displacement and this is our time. So slope can be given as velocity. If we take distance and time, then my slope is distance by time is known as speed. So slope, this is the distance, y-axis represent distance and x-axis represent time. So distance by time, my slope tan theta, slope is equal to tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, perpendicular distance and base time. So distance by time, distance by time is equal to speed, is equal to tan theta. Distance time graph, slope given as speed, this theta angle from theta is equal to angle from the positive axis, suppose this is the x-axis and from this side is known as positive and this side is known as negative, but we are taken angle from this side positive axis. So theta is taken from the positive axis. So slope of distance and time graph given the speed of object. So slope of distance time graph is given as speed of object. Distance time graph, y-axis represent distance and x-axis represent time. So slope is equal to tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, perpendicular distance and base time. So distance by time is known as speed. So slope of distance time graph is given as speed of an object. Angle is taken from the positive axis. Now discuss case first. This is the y-axis represent distance and x-axis represent time. This like parallel to x-axis means theta is equal to 0 degree. Suppose this is the x-axis and from 0 degree then this like both are parallel, so theta is equal to 0 degree. So slope of distance time graph is equal to slope is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 0 degree का वैल्यू होता है tan 0 डिग्री का वैल्यू होता है 0. So speed is equal to 0. So particles at rest position. So this like graph of distance time giving the speed 0. So this type of graph shows that distance is fixed, but time increases. So this type of graph give the rest position. Slope is equal to 0. So tan theta is 0 is equal to 0. So speed is 0. So particles at rest. Here you can see this is the distance at every time distance is same. Means distance is same every point, same every time. So particles is at rest. Here distance time graph is parallel to time axis. So slope is equal to 0. So particles at rest. Now second case, this like graph perpendicular to time, means this is the time and this is the distance and this is the time. Here you can see this is the time t1, and suppose and distance increases but time is fixed. Here time is fixed and distance increases. So this type of slope is equal to tan theta. Slope is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to 90 degree perpendicular 90 degree. tan 90 का वैल्यू होता है इन्फिनेटिव. सो स्पीड इज इक्वल टू स्लोप इज इक्वल टू tan theta perpendicular base distance by time is equal to speed is equal to infinitive. That is not possible. So not possible. This type of graph is not possible because time not increase but distance increases. So this type of graph is not possible. Here time is fixed and distance is increases. So this type of graph is not possible. Now case 3. This like means increases in same ratio from this point t1 and from this point t2. Distance is d1 and this distance is d2. Suppose d1 is equal to 3 km in 3 seconds and this is 5 km in 5 seconds. So ratio is equal to 3/3 is equal to 1/1, and this point ratio 1/1, suppose, and this point 5/5 1/1. So from this point every point same ratio increases, same amount, directly proportional. If time increases in same ratio, then distance increases in same ratio. This type of graph is linear. So slope can be written as slope is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base is distance by time is equal to speed. Here theta is equal to from positive axis, from this. Here theta is not given. But we know that the value of tan theta from 0 to 90 is positive, is always positive. So speed is positive. So speed is positive in nature. And constant. And this type of graph is uniform speed. Uniform means same ratio increases from this point, same ratio increases. Uniform means equal. Every point distance is equal. From this point speed is equal, from this point speed is equal, this point speed is equal, and positive and constant. Suppose this point speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to 3 and time is equal to 3 in 3 meter and time is equal to 3 seconds. So speed is equal to 3/3 1 meter per second speed. Here this point 5/5 is equal to 1 meter per second speed. Here every point equal speed, means at every point speed is equal and constant. means uniform, एक समान, uniform means एक समान, every point speed is uniform, and started from initially started from origin, and initially object start from origin, initially start from origin. Here speed from this point to this point can be written as a speed is equal to, suppose this point is A and this point is B. Suppose this point is A and this point is B. So a speed of AB can be written as d2 by d1 by d2. Suppose this point here and this point here, we can written as 5 minus 3 2 5 minus 3 2. Speed is equal this t1 minus t2. Speed can be written as here this is a linear straight line in nature, and in a straight line in nature this is the uniform nature. At every point speed is equal because slope is equal to 0 to 90 degree. If slope is equal to 0 to 90 degree means speed positive, because value of tan theta 0 to 90 is always positive. Value of tan theta 0 to 90 is always positive, so speed is all positive and constant. So this type of graph is uniform speed graph. Initially started from origin, and a speed can be written as this point d2 minus d1 t2 minus t1. So this can be written as. Now I am going to discuss case 4. Case 4. Now case 4. If particles moves from some distance, suppose this is the distance d0 and particles moves, suppose 5 km, then move continue. So this type of graph can be. So from distance here and particles moves linearly means a straight line. So this type of graph can be written as draw a perpendicular to x-axis represent time and y-axis represent distance. This and theta can be taken as here you can also know theta is 0 to 90 degree. So value of tan 0 to 90 is positive, so speed is positive. Here is started from at d0. So slope is equal to tan theta is equal to positive. How positive? Because theta is value is less than 90 degree and value of tan theta less than 90 degree is positive, so speed is positive. So speed is equal to positive and constant. Same like case 3, but I started from d0. So this type of graph is uniform speed, velocity is less than 0. Now we discuss case 5. If graph is like this, a straight line, but theta is greater than 90 degree, here angle take from positive axis, this is here, and this side is known as positive axis and this side is known as negative axis. So angle taken from the positive axis here theta, and this represent time and this represent distance. So slope is equal to tan theta, and theta is equal to greater than, and theta is equal to greater than 90 by 90 pi by 2 means 90, pi value 180 by 2 is equal to 90 डिग्री. अगर टेन थीटा का वैल्यू 90 to 180 के बीच में रहेगा तो उसका वैल्यू निगेटिव होता है. सो स्पीड स्लोप इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव. हाउ नेगेटिव? बिकॉज थीटा इज ग्रेटर देन 90 डिग्री. सो टेन थीटा वैल्यू from 0 greater than 90 degree is negative, so speed is negative. And constant, so this type of graph is not possible. So this type of view is not possible. If y-axis is displacement and x-axis is time, so slope is given as displacement by time is known as velocity. Slope perpendicular by base, so given velocity and is negative because greater than 90 degree theta and 10 value greater than 90 degree is negative, so velocity is negative. So velocity may be negative या positive या 0. So this type of graph is possible. So this type of graph is possible. If displacement by time, then this type of graph is possible. If distance by time, then speed is negative. Speed is never negative. So this type of speed is not possible. So this type of distance by time graph is not possible, but displacement by time is possible because velocity is negative. Maybe negative या 0 या I discussed in previous lecture. Now case 6. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. If slope is like this, if slope is non-linear in nature, then theta can be find from the outmost part of the non-linear. So we draw a perpendicular which touches the outer part, and theta can be taken as positive direction. So slope is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to positive because theta is less than negative, so theta positive. And constant, not constant because that is not a linear, not a uniform motion, that is non-uniform type of graph. Not a linear, non-linear in nature means this point not increase in same ratio. X-axis and y-axis not increase in the same ratio. So this is non-linear. So this type of graph is known as non-uniform motion. If this type of graph is non-uniform motion, y-axis represent distance and this axis represent time. So non-linear in nature. Suppose this type of graph can be this type of non-linear. So non-linear can be written this like this type of graph equation can be written this like by axis distance is equal to time square, this type of graph. So distance by time इसका टोटल डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं इसको तो स्पीड here distance by time is equal to speed is equal to 2t means speed increase करेंगे then time increase होगा. So increase with time, increase with time. This type of graph is increase with time. So speed increase then time also increase. Now case 7. X-axis represent time and y-axis represent distance, and the nature of graph is like this. So we can find the angle from this line. Draw a line which touch utmost outer part of this curve. This like this is our curve. This is our curve of a graph, and for find angle we draw a line which touch the curve, or test outer part. So angle we get from here positive theta. Slope of this curve is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to positive because angle is less than 90 degree. Because theta is between 0 to 90, and value of tan theta 0 to 90 is positive, and slope gives the speed. Slope is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular distance by time is a speed. Speed is positive because tan theta always positive, because angle less than 90 degree. So speed is positive, not constant because they are non-linear in nature. This is not a straight line. All non-linear in nature, not a straight line. So that is not constant. Why not constant? Because this is non-linear. So this graph is non-uniform motion graph. This type of graph is non-uniform motion graph. Suppose this type of graph equation can be written like this: t is equal to d square. This type of graph equation is written like this. Now differentiate with respect to time. dt by dt, t के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं. d by dt इंटू डी स्क्वायर. ये कट जाएगा तो बच जाएगा 1. ये हो जाएगा d by dt डी स्क्वायर बाई इस लाइक लिख सकते हैं डी बाई डी टी इज हेयर एंड डी मल्टीप्लाई एंड डी डिवाइड. So this is like we know that differentiation formula. dy dx इंटू एक्स को पावर n, एक्स के टर्म में डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं तो इसका फॉर्मूला होता है n बाहर आ जाता है एक्स के पावर n माइनस वन। दिस इज आवर डिफरेंशिएशन फार्मूला। नाउ वन डी वाई डी दोनों सेम है, इसलिए डिफरेंशिएशन फार्मूला हम फॉलो कर सकते हैं। डी है तो टू आ जाएगा बाहर, n इजकल टू डी की पावर टू माइनस वन इजकल टू वन। अब बच जाएगा ये डी वाई डी टी। दिस इजकल टू रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज वेलोसिटी, एंड वेलोसिटी यहाँ चल जाएगा इजकल टू टी, मीन्स वेलोसिटी इज inversely proportional to distance. If velocity increase, then displacement decrease. If displacement increase, velocity decrease. So this type of graph decrease with time. If decrease with time. Now again recall all point. Summary. Suppose this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Y-axis represent as distance, and x-axis represent as time. Slope is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular distance by base time. Distance by time is equal to speed. This line here, this point here to here, after some distance become a fix. So this is the fixed distance after not increased distance but time increases. Means speed is equal to 0. How speed is 0? Because theta is equal to 0 degree and tan 0 is equal to 0 and slope given speed. So speed is equal to 0 is equal to rest position. This type of graph is rest, particle at a rest. Now this here speed is equal to positive. How positive? Because theta is equal to less than 90 degree and all value of tan theta from less than 90 degree is equal to positive always. So distance to speed is always positive, and graph is not a straight line, linear, non-linear, so not constant. This type graph increase with time. Here this is a straight line, this is a straight line graph. So speed is positive. How is speed positive? Because angle is less than 90 degree and all value of tan theta less than 90 degree is positive. So speed is positive, and this graph is a straight line, linear, increase with respect to same ratio. If 5 second and 5 second 10 meter in 5 second 10 meter increase, then next 5 second 10 second 5 plus 5 10 second 10 plus 10 20, same ratio increase. So speed is constant. Because constant how? Because that is a straight line. यह स्ट्रेट लाइन है, इसी कारण इसका कांस्टेंट स्पीड होगा. एंड यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, दिस टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ इज यूनिफॉर्म मोशन टाइप ग्राफ. एंड दिस speed is positive because angle is less than 90 degree, so all value of tan theta is positive, so speed is positive, not a straight line, that is non-linear in nature, so speed is not constant. and this type of graph is non-uniform motion graph, and this is also non-uniform motion graph. Now this tan theta is equal to 90 degree and value of 90 degree is infinity. So as tan theta slope means speed is equal to infinity, which is not possible. Speed is never infinity, so this type of graph is not possible. This here take an angle from positive axis, so theta is greater than 90 degree, greater than pi by 2. So speed is negative. How negative? All value of tan theta greater than 90 degree is negative. Theta is greater than 90 degree, all value then become negative. So speed is negative. Constant, because a straight line, this is a straight line, so constant. And speed is never negative, so this type of graph is also not possible. If this graph is displacement by time, then velocity is negative. Velocity possible, because velocity is negative, positive and zero, but speed is never negative, so this type of graph is not possible. Note if the distance, time graph of an object is a straight line, the object moving with a uniform motion. If distance time graph, if this is the distance and this is the time, distance time graph is a straight line, this like here, this like a straight line, then this type of graph is uniform motion. Means, in other word, if uniform motion, then distance time graph is then uniform motion, then distance time graph is a straight line. The other word, if distance time graph, if this is the distance, this is the time graph of an object, this is the distance and this is the time of object, is a straight line. This a straight line, and this line, this is a straight line, linear. Then object moving with uniform motion, means a straight line का ग्राफ, डिस्टेंस टाइम का स्ट्रेट लाइन का ग्राफ हमेशा यूनिफॉर्म मोशन होता है. एंड दिस इज द नॉट स्ट्रेट लाइन, दिस इज नॉन लीनियर, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ इज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. नाउ ग्राफ का रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ मोशन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. इफ स्ट्रेट लाइन रहेगा तो उसका ग्राफ तो देन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन होगा. इफ दिस लाइक नॉन लीनियर टाइप नेचर रहेगा देन उसका मोशन नॉन यूनिफॉर्म टाइप मोशन होगा. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल स्टार्ट लेक्चर 5. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग मी.